rise again. My homeless niggas in today's masterpiece. John Zherka explains the art of manipulation and more esoteric knowledge.
No, thinking is useless. You have to unlearn unthink. You've already had enough put in your head. Now it's about taking it out.
What's the reasoning behind whenever the worst things in life happen to me, it's directly after I have the thought everything is perfect right now. I'm lucky. As soon as I think like everything's fine and I can relax and I'm lucky to be alive and everything's great, that's when the worst things happen to me.
Because it's a buildup. So for example, if you lie to your girlfriend, you pay for each lie on earth, even before Judgment Day. Did you know that?
Yeah.
You pay, and so even if you get away with the lie, it actually stains your timeline of feeling guilty. And the guilt will manifest in you're making less money. This is why I push marriage so much. If you're not hiding and being a player with bitches, you can make $100 million with a wife. And not that she's in your life. Like, get in the fucking room, shut the fuck up for 20 hours a day. But the point is, when you're honest, you can honestly fucking kill it, right? And you can make $100 million with peace of mind. You're not like snaking people or rabbi shit. But when you're a player, you're always hiding, and all of that stretches. So you'll have success like an elastic band, and it pings back every single time. There's never been one lie you've told that you didn't pay for already, let alone for Judgment Day. And when you die, God shows you through the endocrine system, the nervous system of your mother, and how she felt when you told her to fuck off. Every fucking memory you'll go through the lens of the people you hurt. So right now, make right with them. Because I'm telling you, bro, that's worse than hell. When you have to feel what they felt through their nervous system, the bitches art you broke, you're seeing, God says, well, here's Amy, John. She's 5 years old, and that's her father leaving her life forever. But he comes back at 8 and then leaves again. And now it's your turn. The archetype of a male, she meets you, she's in love with you, she cuts her wrists. You left her. You used her and you fucked another bitch. You see the bitch as a toddler and feel everything she feels, plus her family members and friends. You know what kind of fucking trauma this is? This is not hell, bro. So when you fucking break a bitch's heart, you get to feel all of it. And people think Judgment Day is like something quick. It's not quick at all. You think I'm fucking beating the shit out of people, scamming people, drug dealing? Fuck no. You think when I sell my fucking E-series on women, my team's angry I didn't film for 2 days. I said, if I film right now, I'm not in my wakeful state, I'm gonna lie and scam. And they're like, what? I'm like, I'm not selling my fucking community E-series that I'm not proud of. I want to defend our podcast, and I want to say, on Jesus' name, I'm #1 at this dating shit. Not because I have the best riz instinctively. I'll actually teach you how to get to fucking purple belt. You'll never be me, black belt, little fucking faggot. But check this out. Literally live an honest life, bro. Live an honest life, and you can actually get rich. Don't listen to this fucking rabbi shit that you get rich just scamming or some fucking Hustlers University or whatever. Literally, if you sell a project that changes a bunch of people's lives, it's a way faster track to getting rich. You get to enjoy the Ferrari with hair on your head because you didn't lose it from stress and people fucking you over and jumping you and shit. I'm telling you right now, honest money is money. Money is not money. That's stress. That's making you old, ugly, depressed, crackhead. The only way is honesty.